What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirty Dog Mechanic. Today I got a S&K ratchet. This is the part number SK45170 USA. I don't know too much about this. I tried researching it. It's a little difficult to find out information on it. I know there's guys that just generally talk about it, but not anything specific. I think this is a 40 tooth count one. What I'm going to do today is take it apart. This was like frozen solid, basically. It wouldn't ratchet. I did take it apart before, but now it's really smooth. But even before I took it apart, I had emailed SK and asked them, if they had a rebuild kit, and they sent me one. It still clicks a little weird. I know it's hard to tell, but here's the kit number: 4517-2. It's a pretty good kit. Comes with this little instruction guide here, and it comes with these parts. Comes with the selector right here. Comes with the backing plate, or the selector plate, which you put here, and that's how you select your forward or reverse. Comes with the snap ring that sits in here. I really hope that fits because that looks pretty big. And it comes with some lubricating grease. So what I'm gonna do now is open up that pin, and we gotta pop the center out. All right, so the instructions ask you to put it in a vise. I don't really have one, so I'm gonna wing this over here. What I'm gonna do is take out this makeshift snap ring that I made because the old one rusted out and basically was no good. All right, so I had an old cotter pin that I just shaped into this. Now I had this for a long time sitting in some penetrating fluid and some lube, but upon further inspections, I honestly don't really see anything wrong with this one. This could probably last another couple of years because these S&K ones are, they feel rugged, they feel sturdy. They're not super fine tooth. This is good for if you want to loosen something. Yeah, I don't really see anything too wrong with this. But we got the new piece, so might as well just use it. Now also, check this out inside. Darn, you can't really see that. Let me see something, hold on. Alright, so I got a light over here. Just want to show you the inside. This has a teeth on the outer edge. Different style from other ratchets. I know you can't really tell, but none of them are chewed up or really worn out that bad. So I'm just going to spray this up with some lube and put a rag in here and clean it up. Maybe get a little pick or screwdriver and just scrape each teeth out individually. I think there's 40 teeth on here. I tried to click it around. See that? Nothing really too bad, no cracks or anything, so let me clean that up. Alright, so I cleaned that up the best I could. Nothing crazy. It's not wasn't really rusted. Nothing's really broken or pitted. It's a little bit better. And now I'm gonna compare the parts over here. Alright, so this is the old one, this is the new one. I mean, just by looking at it, they look exactly the same. It'd be good if I showed it in the camera. The only thing is probably the manufacturing style is different. As you can tell, this is a one-piece unit here. That's a two-piece. That spring right there, or whatever that is, looks different. That feels a lot smoother. Obviously, let's check this side. Got some teeth here. How many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on that side. Looks about the same. Alright, and I got the new cap. This is the selector cap over here. Pretty cool, huh? So what they want you to do is have this in neutral, which means when you put this on over here, on the back side, neutral is in the middle. So while that's in neutral, also this open end has to be facing up because your ratchet selector is it's right there. So while it's sitting inside, it has to be facing up. This is the up section right here. See where the selector is? It's facing up. So first thing we're gonna do is put this cap in there. Drop it in. Estimate the neutral part of it. And as per the instructions, we're gonna use some of this lube. Lube, baby. Alright, they want you to put some in the inner teeth. We're not going to go crazy because we're not going to drown this thing in grease. We'll put some like on every 4 corners over here. Oh, missed a spot there. Not a big deal. Put some on that corner right there. Let me spread this out with the screwdriver. Put some right there. And they also want you to put some on the teeth over here, or the paws they call it. Let's flip the selector switch. Put some on that side over here. Let's put a little more on this tooth right here. I'm not drowning it, like I said. This selector switch feels so smooth. Alright, so now I'm going to put this in neutral, which is also the center right here. And we're going to line that up. Actually, first, I think I got to put this retainer clip here. Let me see. This looks huge. I'm sure I'm going to have a good time trying to squeeze this thing in here. So that retainer clip squeezes up inside there. I got to try and aim it better. On the inside wall. Right there. So we put this down. We're gonna have a hell of a time squeezing this thing. That's why you need your needle nose pliers. Let's see, hopefully these are fine enough. Try and find the neutral side of this thing. Please squeeze in there. Let me see if the selector back here needs to, oh yeah, see how it moved? Maybe that's why it won't. Yeah, watch the spring because this will pop out. Let's mess with it again. Alright, see? It's a neutral. So let's try to drop it in there in one shot. I gotta put this clip back on. And that's gonna fall out. Alright. This is why they tell you to do it in a vise. Alright, let's try and get this in there. Yeah, hold that spring because that thing will pop out on you. Alright, let's lift this up. I think that's in. Let's center this spring, let it go. Alright, let's check the function of it. Okay, let's clean it up a little first. Alright, moment of truth. This is on the on position. Oof. Man, that is smooth. What? That is insane how smooth that is. It's quiet and smooth. Switch it to the off position. Wow. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. I'm shocked at how good that came out. It was so easy too. Only thing is it's not silver. Doesn't match. But hey, this thing will probably last another 100 years if you don't beat the shit out of it. Alright guys. That was how you rebuild the SK 45170 ratchet 3/8 drive. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful for you. If you got any questions, hit me up. I'm probably gonna do a few more videos. I got snap-on stuff I gotta take a look at too. Alright guys, subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Dirty Dog out. Peace.